Hello teacher, my name is Samuel Alegría. My group is GSUF 30 and today I will talk about the process, the tempering, welding, soldering and brazing. In the tempering process, the material of the plating is held to its critical point and the rapidly cooler. The function of this process is to give better physical properties, for example, hairs and more resistance. Welding. In the welding process, the main function is to join two pieces of metal. The means of electrical welding. In this process, you can join big pieces, small pieces, every size, not so small. In the soldering process, two or more pieces can be joined for the same material. For example, copper, aluminum, bronze, and alloy. Are used in this process are used special soldering, special paste, and a torch. This process is used in specific to join tubes of copper and of bronze. Brazing. In the brazing process, very small things can be joined. For example, in circuits, for circuits of computer and the circuits of brazing. In this process, you can join this type of circuits that solder and a special tool be soldering. And in the every process, you should use bat, gloves, and glazes. That's all for my part. See you later, teacher.